Okay, do it. Do it.
Stop.
Do it.
No, dude, redo it.
Do it.
Stop it.
Well,
Stop.
can you do that?
Stop. Redo it. Johnny. Hey guys, this is Kid of Legends, and today I'm going to tell you how to get your hiccups out. So first, you're gonna need a cup of water. Then you're gonna need to drink it. All right, bye.
So explain to us what you just did there.
So I just drank the water, and then I held it in there, and then I pulled my ears down, then I swallowed it. That's what I did.
All right.
What?
Can you make some? Can you make some funny faces,
No.
please? Oh, that's delicious. Okay, one more.
Okay. Jump scare!
No, come on.